YouTube, what's going on? First things first, welcome to the channel. This is going to be my first ever YouTube channel. And I'm pretty much going to document, what I do out here as a flatbedder, truck driver on the road. It can get very interesting sometimes, I gotta tell you that. Right now it's August 26th. It's about 6:30. I had a good weekend though. I'm about to head to Auburn, or just about 2.5 hours away. But I did my pre-trip. Ready to go. I got my road snacks. I really can't wait to get to my road snacks. But yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get rolling. Hopefully we don't hit too much traffic or anything. I mean, it's Sunday, so it shouldn't be too bad. But who knows? Never know what to expect out there. I don't know what he's doing. All right. Well, let's get going. Well, I made it. It was a frustrating drive, honestly. This place is in the middle of a city and a railroad track where no trucks are allowed at all. So it was kind of tricky getting in here, but I'm here now. Here in Auburn, Boise, Cascade. So I'm probably gonna sleep. Probably won't sleep the whole time. I mean, I'll probably maybe sleep about 6-7 hours, just so I can get unloaded early in the morning. I want to get unloaded at 7 so I can get me another load. But yeah, that's this one pretty much taken care of, huh?
7 hours later.
Man, this dude came knocking on my truck door about 6:30 in the morning. Woke me up out of my sleep to have me go sign in. I know I wanted to get unloaded fast, early, but not that early. I'm still tired. But they were actually pretty quick here. The guy had his own winch bar and everything. He just helped me unstrap it, helped me roll up the straps, and then I'm done. I'm just waiting on a new load now. Yeah, the train tracks that I was talking about, they were annoying. I don't know what's going on, but they had trains going all night. So yeah, not the best night of sleep. Not a good way to start the week either. So we'll see how the rest of the week goes. I'm waiting for a new load. Hopefully I'll get it soon, and then we can be on our way.
Eventually.
And so I've arrived here at Owens Corning, whatever that is. Had to go through Atlanta. That was fun. I hate traffic in Atlanta. Hopefully I can get loaded here pretty quick. I don't even know what I'm getting at. I probably should have looked at that. Looks like oh, shingles. Shingles are easy. You ain't gotta tarp them, nothing like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here, see what they want me to do, how fast they can get me loaded, and get back on the road. Just got finished. Took a while. It is now 12:37. It's like 90 degrees out here, and oh man, it's hot. But this is the fun part. Strapping down your load. This one's actually pretty short though. It's only going about 3 hours. Probably because the trailer has to get serviced. So, guess I'll be headed to the terminal. But not gonna do too much driving today. It's gonna be quick and easy, as long as I make it out of Atlanta. That should be fun. All right, let's go. Well, I finally made it. It took hours. Coming out of Atlanta was, man. But I got the Lowe's. I don't know why Lowe's needs these shingles, but whatever. I got here and they're closed. They closed 3. I got here 4, so. But I got plenty of open space. Nobody should bother me until about 7. That's when they open back up. So I'll get unloaded at 7 and then head to Gaston, South Carolina. So I can get serviced and get another load. But yeah, thank you all for watching. You got to see how a day is out here. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you guys later.